What's up, it's your boy Young Rag, and I'm finna tell y'all how much it costs to shoot a music video in 2018. Man, honestly, it's not that much. Once you get your camera, bro, and your lens, get you a little stabilizer, probably. It depends if you're shooting trap, what kind of video you're shooting. But get you a little stabilizer, I'm gonna include that in the price. I'm gonna say $600. You can get you a used G7, that's what I got, that's what I still use. It's not the camera, it's the person behind the camera. What you doing with the camera, you know what I'm talking about? What you doing with it. And if you saying that's too much, get out of here. Get out of here, don't come back to my channel, you feel me? You need to invest in yourself, bro. Invest in yourself. Like I said in the previous video, if you want somebody to come save you, you want P. Diddy and Snoop Dogg, you be like, hey, for shizzle my nizzle, you go and hizzle. Nah, nigga, he ain't gonna save you if you don't believe in yourself, you don't invest in yourself, bro. How can this man spend that money, even though he got hella money? Or, you know, so bro, use that money, bro. Go get a little job, try to cut back on some stuff, cut back. You don't need all this other stuff, cut back on it. $600, you good. And after that, sure, you can charge $200 or $300 a video. Depending on what you're doing, 2 videos, you got your profit back. And after that, you just keep going up, keep going up, keep going up, keep going up. Can't find clients? I got you. I got you. I'm gonna have more videos in the future, but until then, y'all can go to my course. I'm telling you, it goes over everything that y'all gonna need to find clients, to get the clients not to scam you in full detail. I have advanced tutorials on editing. I got a cheat sheet down below in the description. I appreciate y'all watching this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I am out, man. I'm out. Like, bro, I'm out, bro. Like, bro, I'm out.